You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what? This is Bad Company episode 2. But don't tell no say there's no way you're not gonna get episode 1 and not get episode 2. You know what I mean? Because we are putting some work. And if you say you don't want it, me go drop it for you because you don't want it. Don't. Right. So guess what now? Just do the right thing, you know what I mean? Share, like, you know what I mean? Comment and let me know what go on, if I improve, what can go on different upon it. You know what I mean? So I highly appreciate everybody who support the movement thus far and welcome on board to all the new family members. All right. So as I say, what's the one? This is episode 2, Bad Company. Oh!
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
To subscribe is free.
To subscribe yet.
Yo, where say I go on now, my general? What you mean by me if you come back for me things them? So all of them things I reach, you say no. What that for? No, me don't come back for me things them because I don't like the idea how you disrespect my business. I don't like them the style. And that's how we grow. No, I can't believe you really make you reach yourself.
Easy money for me.
Alright. No man, you don't have to bother explain, man. Because you don't disrespect my business already. So watch you know. If you cut all problem, I go just forward for my things them. Because right now I tell you say my yard me just reach, you know. I'm tired you know youth. And so I go all asleep, you know. And now no tell me if I come back a road and come back for my things them right now. No tell me like me not even all come back on my yard and now forget no rest. I fall for my things them still, man.
Yo, what kind of sadness this? Eh? What kind of sadness this today? How with the Jim? Yo.
Yo, I agree.
What kind of style is youth?
Take away your set what you talk about.
I mean by what me I talk about? What kind of style is?
You talk about.
My youth, me there from morning I wait for the boy.
So you
And
talk
him
about
just a come and now him gone. What kind of style thing this?
which style thing? What you talk about? You get your job done already?
How me forget the job done? And I from morning me there youth. And the man just a forward in and gone. Like a setup thing this. I set me up, Jim.
Which setup, man? And where you set it? Not say some man. Which setup? Here what you do? Here what you do? Your best thing you do, left is seeing. Left is seeing.
Left is seeing. Left is seeing. So your money go.
So where you going to stay there if you see?
How your money go? How your money go?
You're not doing work. You don't get the job done. So when we don't pay you for again. But basically you can't say you know.
Okay. So I just say reach him. I just say reach. Me never know say how that style me in that kind of way then but everything good.
Yeah, me talk to you. Just let me see it.
Everything good, man. Yeah, you boy one in your head.
You know why you don't want to answer the phone, and you know why you take so long to answer the phone. About 2 hours me they call you. Me I call you 1 hour straight yesterday. And you know long me sit down right up on my veranda calling you not answer the phone. Girl on can stay so I say we are family. When me gonna stay so? Why you not have to wait till when somebody dead before you start put out money and something to help them? What you not do? You not spend one bag of money when people dead. Like I sound no glad say they dead. Eh? One heap of food and something. Let me tell you something, you know. Yeah. What? So if I know my relative too? Yes, me know the whole of we are family. But me get to understand, say, you see, uno kind of people, God forgive me and pardon me, but Father God, you know, say, I no lie, me I tell. You see, when you're living, and you're hungry and you suffer, family no member, you no cure them heavy, and no cure you in need of it or you want it. They do not remember you. Yeah, man, me full of attitude. Thank you. You have to have attitude in a dem time. And this is 2025. And let me tell you something. Me not make none of uno make me lead me astray. Yeah, me I say, me I go tell you straight up where me they come from right now. So what? Yeah, me I hear. Me not get no time to talk. Okay. Me I hear you. Oi, nobody go there so. Nobody go there so. Let me tell you something. Since as you're there, go down that road there with me and you want to go down there with me, you see? Make me tell you something. One stop right there, so you see stop sign? STOP. You tap right there, so. Listen to me now. You see the money one of these send come give me towards the funeral? Me then give them the all of it. Half of it me use. And me have the rest. And you know why me not even buy one bag of, what? Me no want hear that. You know why me never buy not even one bag juice out of it? Or one sweetie? Because me know no full of corruption. You look like you all on a pray for people dead. Oh no corrupt. And no heart no good no bad mind. And I come buy flowers I come put on people. What? Look where you gone. I can't tell me about your friend say, me if you go tell we family them condolence because she did live out here side of them as next door neighbor. Who you want, who your friend? Me I talk to you about we family we pass and gone. And you don't want to hear about it. The fact still remain. Me they ask you a question over and over and you can't answer me. Why you have to wait until somebody dead before you can put out one little money to support? Well, to me, if me wrong, Father God forgive me, but to me, kill me dead right as so now. Me feel so now pray for people dead. I no can't wait to see them come out for God earth so now spend any amount of money upon the dead. Why you don't give we when time will alive? You now wait till people dead. You know what? Me don't care. Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. Right now, me sorry say me don't have the same last name. Me have to go do one. What? Me a go down on RGD. Me a go change my name. Me and none of nothing. Me and none related. Right now, stranger. What? Me ignorant for the whole of and go for you alone. Me don't care what you want to say. Me a go down on RGD officer Sav. And me go ask them how much money to change my surname because me no want to tell no stranger say me and no related. Because the amount of money we no have and some of we no have none in the family. I know that dead if we no help when we are alive. It's like we no can't wait for one next family dead for we no can spend how much money. And who know? You see why me have to put strangers in front of family? Because I hear them out. Yeah, me love chat. I brush my teeth every day and my mouth don't stink. Me free for talk and me not give you no more time for talk. Me have all right for talk and me call you for talk to you now my credit, you know. Sense call yeah man. Call somebody turn where you're there foreign and call somebody out here in Jamaica and send them to me for the rest of the money because I don't even want it because you all know to bad mind and corrupt. I not even want to do with the money. Yeah. Call somebody. Me don't care. Call somebody and send them for the money. Same like how me can stay at Jamaica and call you over there, you can stay over there and call somebody out here and tell them say me say if you come for the rest of money. What do you mean which money? The money won't not send towards funeral. Yeah. Me tell you already like you're deaf. Me say me never use it, like me use half. And me have the other half. And me don't want it. If me you see all know? You see uno set a family we call uno self family and they can chat about blood thicker and water uno too wicked and lie. Sometimes in a real life right now water thicker than blood because our family help me and my rest of family them out here. Uno have it and act like uno don't have it. As uno hear say somebody they don't find it. Which party when put down? Someone should have thief, uno too wicked. A matter of fact, already me ready figure a funeral. I mean nah bother go. Me nah go no. Look here. See your dirty cousin a pass. And your cousin, me know him. And my cousin too, but me now want none of no again. You know, hear the bike in the background? Yes. Your cousin just a pass for one bike. You can't send him. Me don't care. Me don't care what you want to say. Uno too ungrateful and wicked. When you know the day at Jamaica, they suffer and they pound your ball and they walk on your lash. And we have to go around and wash people dirty clothes and sweep up people dirty yard for the whole of we can get somebody for them. But you say, you don't remember where you come from? I don't always a two stone behind, you know? You catch a foreign house, so I big up on yourself because you go on, like I say, only alone can go on plane. All dog go on plane now, as long as you have visa or passport. Because you don't figure no foreign country when you have no visa neither. Other country there where we can go without visa or with visa, you know, we live history. You know, we not pray no bad fool, no? I wish you know all the best. I go reach my goal in a real life and I pray the whole of you live to see me and the rest of family them Success we say, prosperity forever. Yeah, we should all know best. You're not going to see me call back your phone again, girl. Never. And you know what? Block me from your phone.
You see people like you. You see people like you. You're a wicked woman. Imagine they send their money to make my sister funeral do it right way. And keep say you lay down your so. I know their funeral. I looking at the crowd and I say me no see you, you know. And I tell them if you send me money and they no send me and you they send you know. And you no do nothing, you no give nobody no money. What make you stay so? What make you stay so?
You just badge in at my place like a yours.
What you mean? So we no family, we no afraid to come here?
Yeah, remember say me your cousin. We know that you is not my man. You just
Half
come
of
to
me
me
you
door.
can't there.
You just
No
come
say
to
so,
me
man.
door so and in your shoes at my place. You come in your shoes, you not clean out and not buy nothing. And if you clean out, you not do nothing to me. The whole of you are wicked. All of you are wicked. All of you know my family are wicked. Who to tell if I know? Who no see one sit down
You
and
mad?
kill off your one sister?
You mad? No
Kill
say
me
so,
one
man.
little cousin.
You know say America do it already. It come like you don't remember. And deal with my sister tragic. You don't realize. Stop play stupid man. Come on. Yo, me just beg send you out.
That are the news where I go around. Oh, Marika kill off my cousin. But my mind tell me say no plan. And don't want a family so.
You're wicked. You should have done a funeral because remember say you and her close. And you always there around her. So I don't understand how you not did it now.
And where you come for money? You come up here and chat about come a funeral and you know say who kill who from who not kill.
I drop down up there, you know.
You should have dead to God forgive me and pardon me. Well, I'm a wicked man. I have nothing to do with it.
Let me ask you one question. The money you they send you, what you do with it?
The money you come for, okay.
I don't come about no money, but I ask you because they send it for you do funeral business and you don't know. What you do with it?
So you come for money? To bury my own family?
No, keep
your money.
Keep it, because I'm not hungry.
You not get no money from me, that me say.
If the people like you, you're not going to have a bad ending. Just big up yourself. Me and a family, if I say go. That me I tell you. Time and God here.
Come out of my place. Don't come back to me yard. Me I don't know nothing. Me did this bad the whole of for a long time before I'm born.
Come to your why you doing so?
What you mean I'm to me? Right now my head hot, you know. My head hot.
Calm
and it
down.
can't cool. Calm down what? What you say?
I talk to you. Me did at the funeral to you know, and every time I try to talk to you, you walk away. Why you ignorant?
Because my head hotter that me I try to tell you. Right now, you know, she get money for deal with the funeral business and she not deal with it. Eh?
I understand.
Dirty keys here.
You have to listen to me?
Talk.
So you don't love me no more?
So hold on. When ain't left?
So what that have to say?
Remember say you have sex with Kedrick, you know.
You're gonna make everybody hear that was a mistake. I'm gonna tell you that before.
That the mistake they can't rub out. How it happen?
Remember say me drunk. Me did drunk. And when I wake up, I swear think of you. Has the belly big like yours, warm to you?
A style me. A style me now.
I just talk the facts. See, you're going to make all of this. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. This is not how to go, so, right? You're going to make me fix things?
Alright. We fix things.
But you need to calm down, though. See, you're going to go up on bike hungry. A good thing I'm walking because I say, where you going? A good thing I'm follow back here.
Because a keys here. Keys, he not even
make
come a funeral, you know. He not even come a funeral.
But you can't make she get to your head. You don't know the type of woman she be already, so I don't know why you make she draw you out.
Then you know about me, he won't tell me, say, I go to me and Alan live, my sister.
But she knows, say, Marka, why she would have said that?
So now that me I try to show you, she has said things to burn me.
I don't understand. You know she's still already. You know she's ready, so I don't want this get to your head. Right? Just calm down.
Alright, so where you go now?
I don't know, I just come see if you where you turn, because you speed off. With that, I don't know. Like, are you my come find? Say anything you up to me up to.
Alright, come on. Yeah, you're sure you're not disappointing?
No, babe, I'm not disappointed. Just let the bygones be bygones now. Just come on.
What do you say? Hello? Marika. I'm a niece. I want to her. Eh? Where say? She come out? No, man. She not come out for now. Eh? She come out on the way? Oh, so at this she there, you sure? Oh, at this she there over the scheme. What color house? Pumpkin color upstairs and downstairs. Me I try repeat to yourself if you stay in my brain, you know. Cause scheme of holy house. Alright. Grill gate. Alright, cool. What? One guinea tree in the yard and okay, alright, cool. Yeah man, thanks. Yeah man, thank you. Me I'll go down there right now. Alright. How they say no chi before time? What happen? Must run away. No man. Hold on there. Let me go put down my bag.
Oh. We understand. Miss. You live here?
What? When me live here? Look how long me and about half an hour ago. I want uno suspect when me come out. Where is Beck? Where Beck there?
Oh, I beg you come out. Okay, come here. Wonder if I must last way and you're mad somebody or walk. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm
me
not
mad.
walking at people place. But listen to me. Beck is not here, so you can call her up on her phone. Beck gonna do some stuff down in her town, and that's it. I don't know what else to
You
say.
see it from me ask you where your sister there? Where Beck dirty thief in Beck, all criminal
Come,
Beck.
stop styling, sister now.
You and your
Stop
sister
styling.
all look here, una all wicked. Me don't like no tight to uno. You see you're inveigle your sister to carry my niece come on uno yard, you know, without my consent. Uno no ask me no question, me no give no permission. So you're there with my niece up here, so where my niece they do up here?
So hold on, you're who to? You're who to?
You just hear say, Marie call me niece. You just hear that?
No,
or
me
you never hear? You're confused.
Me never hear.
You know why? Because you know what uno they do. Uno plan to carry my niece. Come on uno yard. Come live up here. And me not in it with you. Neither your dirty sister when you back.
Alright.
No want my niece to come back down, you know. Because she not stay up here so. Not because uno know the little something we go down when my niece did go in and then carry her go where we hit girls home or whatever.
Alright,
She come back
alright.
now, so what?
Hold on, listen. Your niece, which is, I have to remember her name, Marika,
Yes,
What you
yes,
need
my
fi-
niece named Marika.
Yes. You need to understand the whole story. Marika tell me sister Beck say she no have nobody because of the
A liar
situation. That is what she said.
Me never did
I
it, so
am
me not have to believe you.
no,
Even
but
if she say it.
believe and if you want to believe it or not, I know myself and my word is my bond.
Me not trust you, know.
Listen,
I can't
man.
kidnap you, no kidnap me niece and carry her up here, you know.
Jesus, why would we do that, miss? Why would we do that?
Why would we do that, miss? We care police come up here.
Care police compound. What we are talking about? I don't understand why you have this concept. Who tell us that we kidnap?
You don't see how my niece pretty. You don't see how she look good. Why she wouldn't have no family? Why she not have nowhere? I who tell you that even if she says so, well, I joke she did that make more and my niece come back down on me.
All right, listen, me I said. You have our number?
Me don't have no number.
So that is the problem. You have to. All right, I think one number I written down for you. You have to find her because me whole day today, me don't know where going. She just disappear. So me I said to myself, say, why would she disappear? You understand? And so she never come to you
What you tell me? Say she did there and she disappeared from yourself?
This morning when I see her from morning. That's
Hold on there.
Mm.
So, for your long, my niece they have phone in yard.
1 week.
And all of a
1
sudden,
week.
enough day them there.
Yeah, 1 week. But it make it sound like right now you are telling me say you want her to come home with you. I am so happy.
She shouldn't even up here for 1 day. A whole heap of day that make 1 week. Me don't care how much.
All me I say to you, miss, is that I don't know the relationship I want to have because she says she not nobody. And the reason why she says she not nobody because the whole circumstances will happen between her. So I am asking you, could you come out and find
me
your
come out away,
niece?
you idiot. Listen to me, little dirty boy. Let me
Yeah,
tell you
I'm
something.
styling
You
them
go
out,
tell
please.
your little dirty thief in Beck sister say.
So what?
Me say, this one yeah, where you sit on up right here, so is Marika auntie and any me come back up here so for my niece and she not there because I plan you ready to plan up now and take up for your sister, you know. All of a sudden, my niece not there here. She gone.
Yeah, but she not there from man.
Maybe she have a phone and you know have her number, you know want give me because you know want me know which part she there.
Miss, all me I tell you that say, please understand, say. Yeah, do me a favor now to get Marika out of my house. Come in and we the one she there in the first place. That if you know. So we the on the same side. So I will help you get her. Give me a number and if when she do call back, I will organize and make sure she get her. So give me a number, miss. Simple as that. Give me a number.
0
Mm.
0.
No number no go so. Unless you don't just like your arm.
A Clara phone me have you can't tell me nothing.
Alright, 0.
Give your number them. 0 0 0
so man, this alright, 0
1 3 119.
1 a rubbish business you give me. Miss, come out to my place. Whenever you find your niece, just organize yourself and think. When me see her, make sure you know say you look for her. What your name? What your name? That's the first thing. Hello, what your name?
Me if you tell you my name, if you go up your name.
Why me go up your name, miss?
You?
Something wrong with you, you know. That's why sometimes you wonder how some things happen and reach some family. And because of the mentality.
A key is my name, our.
Alright, a key is your name. Alright, boss. Me make sure say when she
I mean
do
just
come.
give me number you come like I say I work at Digicel or Floor or Clara or whatever.
Yes, me have it.
You go tell me say enough for me number.
000.
0 1
1.
1.
You say 1 3.
1
You say 1 3 1 1 9. Yes, me have it. 0 0 0.
The last part is 119. Not
Yes,
talk to me.
I have it. All right. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming here. When she forward, me will tell her say you never you went there. Keisha, right? Yes,
My
ma'am.
name Keisha. My name Keisa. And if you call me name one different way from how if you pronounce it, I'm going to like when I go do up here. Because you see, me come back up here, so, and my niece not there.
Alright,
you and Beck, now go like him.
Alright, have a good day,
She
ma'am.
want name Beck or Becky or Beckford, that's your business.
Alright, big up.
Me go and know, say, me call police for the whole of up here, dead fi hungry. Me not like, no, to the whole of and that you no want to do. Carry my niece up here, fi come broke her, fi go thief, because fi your name big and stink around, like a dirty boy.
You know my name?
Me know your
You
name.
know my name?
You are criminal
Step out
and
of
you
place.
are Beck. brother, I dirty Rasta boy will live up here, so I
Yeah,
direct,
yeah.
direct, no live, no a criminal.
Alright, yeah, man,
No
big
one
up
can
yourself.
teach people things. A thief, everything where you have on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go like
man.
I say a lie, me
Yeah,
I tell
man.
all criminal. Let me catch me knees up here, I know we
Yeah,
see.
yeah,
Let
big
me
up.
see, I bet me hobby I want up here.
Miss me know say them what kind of lifestyle they have. You understand them kind of lifestyle now. Psalms 100. Just think me free that one. If you now be me have it too.
Jimmy, I sleep up, you know. Jimmy, I sleep up. Yo, me, I tell you. Shit. Yo, Jimmy. No, sir. Not give me that tone there, yo. You know exactly what me I call your boy, brother. What you mean, brother? You know who I just come off for the call with? You would have never guessed. The same person me pay you for knock out, brother. Brother, what kind of foolishness this? Charging me pay you my money and me tell you one time and one date when I want you to do the thing, brother. And you really let me down, Jimmy? Come on, Jimmy, come on. What you mean by him escape? Me not understand. So it's a problem you want to put me in a few people go hear a road say, oh, me put it on the head? Brother, so if you not go do it, then give me back my money and forget about me and me forget about you then charge you, because if me ever give my money for do something, you not do it and just done with it. So because him get to that the time, you not try none talk for say you go and find him again. If me could have do it myself, me do it myself. So what kind of argument that you say you pay money, that no mean say me can't wait? Me pay, the point is, me pay my money, so me I expect you to come on my phone and say, yo, you know, so me do the mission for you and you don't have to worry. My friend this morning, me see my call, I say my friend, me think all of you are call me on him phone. When me answer, me realize you him. Jimmy, you slack up, Jimmy, come on, man. You hear what I say? Because I don't explain the situation to you. I tell you, say, I love you make me this. Because if me can't get him, who else can get him? Nobody can get him. So, listen. You can't say a fool and me want to say, so what make me numbers make him leave. No, I don't want that. If me can't have him, then nobody else will. He might go gas. He need to go 6 feet underground. And if you can't do that, Jimmy, please bring back money. Me don't care what you want to say. Just bring back my money. Me will find elsewhere for go, or me find one way to do it myself. You know credible. Yeah, brother, I want back my money, charge you. To them want back money. To them want back money. Me not waiting with the brother. So me get money today. By 12 o'clock, I want my money. You see? Alright. Go and big up yourself, because I can't believe I see you let me down, brother. Foolish this.
Need to talk to you. Need to have a serious talk with you. Where's Beck, as a matter of fact?
Oh, me and Beck they go down in a town because me they kind of feel boring in a house. Me and her down there have fun or something until she get one phone call. So she tell me if I go on home. So me come home. So she said when she come back, me and her we talk.
Okay, alright. Come here, try to call her phone and get another. But this is the thing, right? Why you lie to me and tell me say you know nobody if come pick you up and then something there?
But me not nobody for true.
So who name Kisa? Who name Kisa? How Kisa come here and find me?
Kisa come here.
Yes, Kisa is your auntie. You don't know about your auntie Kisa.
Oh. Oh, my auntie Kisa. She come here today?
Miss Tota, when I said earlier, miss, Kisa came here and said, we kidnap you basically, you know. And they say have we know, you know. She said we kidnap you and she didn't understand how is it that you not come back like she wanted to come pick you up. So I want to know why you do that to me.
Me not do nothing to me. It's just that me just not like for them type of company because them treat me like me a criminal.
But you're a criminal. You killed somebody. I'm not going to say that strong word, but yeah, you unalive somebody.
I never for purpose. It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake? What is a mistake is when something fall on somebody's head. When you mash a buckle and instill injury is totally different. Because how me hear it, at that me I hear. I mean, no, so me not, because 2 times me a big talk about the situation. But I'm saying, you know, like them company, fine. But you need to link them up and call them and talk to them. She leave a number for your call.
Me not want to call her.
Why you don't want to call her?
Because me not ready to face them as yet.
You're not ready to face them? What you mean face them? Are your people them? But you lie to we make we feel alright, so how you think they go take that story now?
But me not lie to no. Me tell them say my people they don't want me around because I want happen.
Yeah,
but me never know say my auntie come my place come look for me. Remember say she never come there come look for me none at all, you know.
But somebody have to come pick you up. The person will sign you in have to come pick you up. So then call the person, if he come pick you up, them come to the place and not see you. I don't know how you plan to do this thing, but I think the best thing you need to do is to go up a Kisa, spend some time, rekindle. If they want to see you, it's the best thing for you as a person.
I feel like I run.
Me not run, but me I say best thing if you do is for family is everything. So you think me go tell you say don't link up with the family? No, because I want. Beck must understand. And Beck we know say boy, you know, since you have people who want you around then, link up with them.
Remember, you never want me to sign in first place.
And
so
I'm not saying I never want you, I don't know you. And which part the school, the institution will have one of this stuff because of people who do stuff. So it's not like say I know what your intentions are. People can change, but are you a changed person since you left that place, miss?
Of course.
Change in which way?
You know,
the first thing you tell us was that you never nobody to come pick you up. First thing you tell us, so how she a come to pick you up and I come on me yard no cost me when you know what tell you say them not care about you and them something there. I don't believe that.
Oh me if you know say them care about me, remember nobody never come there to come look for me.
All I'm saying.
So me if you know say somebody go come and pick me up. Me never know all of that.
All I'm gonna say to you is that go on up at the place. Just take your time, put yourself together, go spend some time with her and see what I want. That's the best thing I can say to you, right? I can't say nothing else. What's a brother to my sister is me have to tell her the truth. And a sister to her brother is she have to tell me the truth. So just go and get your stuff, them and take your time, go over there.
Oh, so you run me.
Me not running me, I tell you if
so
you go. So
when you tell me, why you not ask me if I want to go?
Me know you don't want to go, but you have to go because them come for you.
Me have to go because I want me out there.
No, listen. If your auntie said to me, say, we are kidnap you, me no want for that charge be on this household. So me I said to you, say, go up there, go clarify what going on with your auntie.
Then you give me a number, me call her.
Go on up on your auntie and clarify everything, and then you come back. If I saw you want to hear it, go on up there. As in right now.
Right now.
As in take your stuff them and go up your auntie. As in get up.
But more
as in no. Spend some time with Yeah, spend some time with people them. And me I get attitude, no give me an attitude. You know, me I call back, you know. I will call back later and talk to her about you.
What? I don't understand. Why am I not get break? I'm not get tired. I feel like I'm better run me out, you know. Alright, then we'll go over.
You couldn't call and tell me say you come.
What? Why you come up with people in place for?
What do you mean? You're my niece and I love you. And I don't want nothing to do you. And a long time I don't see you. So I want to make sure I see you alright. That's why I come for you.
What? I know you just remember me. Look how long me over there, you never come look for me not one time. And when me come out, you come look for me. I'm your niece.
You know, say me, I tell you the truth, God love. Let me tell you the truth. You see the place where they carry you go? I don't know where. I go down a family court and I ask all the people that work down there. You see? The probation officer. Because then say me if you go to the probation officer. Because the probation officer responds for the children them and at them know which part then they are which girls home. And then some tell me say you're there in Trelawny, some say you're there in Mobile. Me go all about, me don't know which one of them. Look how much children home there in Jamaica where they have kids.
So you find me when night time for me come out?
I hear say you come out and you're there somebody yard. Me not even did know their name. And people tell me. I first me I come and people tell me say you live with some girl down so.
First and foremost, and a girl. I'm a friend. You understand? So you can't disrespect her like that.
Okay, fine. Your friend.
By the way, what you say I go on? Can you see me come back now, you know? So what happen?
I want you to come back, come live. Yaso, your yard, yaso you grow up.
Why you want me come back and live yaso?
Because me no want you to get in no trouble. And the dirty girl when me hear say they keep friend with, me hear say some bad girl for a long time.
And you still a class my friend as dirty girl. What kind of style are they fan?
You don't know when time people love you, that is it.
Me don't know if you love me, you know. Me don't know. Because when the incident happened, everybody turned them back for me.
So you feel say me turn back.
Of course, I did turn back for me.
I couldn't find you.
When the police then come for me, well, I'm not on one side. None of these say a mistake or whatsoever.
Me not even know the police did gone with you then time. You know, say me did in a coma. Me panic. Me not even realize the police gone with you. Me think you see it? When people in a coma, they don't know nothing. And when me come back and revive up, me say they're gone, I wish we part. So what me could have do about it? Nothing. Even if nothing they do, me couldn't do nothing. Because if you do something wrong, police are going to hold on for you. You're going to get charged for it. And you're going to do time for it. Once you don't have the fine to pay, you're going to do the time.
I don't talk now.
I hope you're not about to do something there again.
Do what?
Get yourself in a no more problem.
You know, say my sister did that provoke me. You did you see that for yourself? As she did call me all type of name and something. Make me get ignorant and do that to her. Me never want to do my sister nothing.
Anyway, see that room the way around there, so? I did your room. Me not make nobody sleep in there. You can go back in there. You can carry in something them if you want. But no go back down and that dirty girl there. You hear me?
And that I think me not like with your man. Why you always discriminate people? That not nice, you know?
I'm one niece me I talk about, you know. Are you me I pick up for you?
And that the girl that have my back when me there, found that the place there, you know. Me never see no family or no other friend, you know. She alone me see, you know. And she alone pick me up car yard, you know. Nobody else no pick me up car, came here their yard, so me can't play ungrateful, you know.
What's your problem? Go on in your room. Go on. I come back for stay or what?
Come back in our room. Can I carry?
Come like a force for stay. So me I go carry your bag for you. Me always do any little thing for you for a long time. So this I don't know.
And this me feel fine now. This moment.
Hello. That's why me and you couldn't agree? You love take things and don't ask for it. You don't even know if I'm mine.
But it's in their house. Once it's in their house, I have to fear it.
It don't have to be mine. People come here and give me things to put on all the while. I'm mine, you know. But me just show you say I could have somebody else because all the while people come beg me to put on things.
Listen. Me not unite with you, you know. You say I want me come back home and me come back home. Now you contact me for eat when me want eat. Let me tell you something. I say me drop on my friend yard, me eat anything me want eat and nobody no stop me, you know. So if I this me come back here so far, tell me me go on. Talk to me now.
You see the ignorance way now you? You have a problem, near me. Name the whole light.
As a matter of fact, me not go turn up in there, you know. And make you go on like say you want to come take control of me not because you're my auntie, you know.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do with that?
Let me what me gonna do. Huh?
Eh? What that looks like? What? Me not understand. What going? You're supposed to open your people them.
Yeah, but who you say come here to you? Who you say come here to you?
What do you mean who must come here to me? Eh? Your auntie come here. What are you talking about?
What's your name?
She name Kisa.
No, sir. I know some auntie name.
So what your auntie name?
My auntie name Kisia. Kisia.
So what?
Yeah.
What's the difference with the ear?
A Kisa that them don't know that the Kisa there.
So you're telling me that you know So when you go up here, what happened?
When we go out there, me ask when we go out yard, the people then say to me say my auntie moved from there so how long now from the incident happened she moved.
So you mean if you tell me say you go up here and you see nobody?
Nobody know up there.
I don't understand what is happening, but what you need to do now is because this sounds strange. Your auntie came here and she basically wanna tell me say
Let me tell you something. You see over a place a tree marker did over there, you know?
Me don't know about that.
A tree marker did over there, so probably them a mix with up or something.
Tree marker?
Yeah.
Marker is not a common name. I don't believe. Listen to me. Me thinking if I don't know what to say, man. You here from back from the evening?
No, I'm not here from back. Me did a try call back, but me not get back.
So what you basically gonna do now? You plan to stay here then?
Yeah. Well, me not know if you go, me not know family.
I'm still confused. And you tell me, say, Beck, you can't hear from Beck, then you go up to your place and hear a key, see a name, and I feel, why am I not believe you?
What do you mean you not believe me?
Why am I not believe you? That's what I said a while ago.
You not have to believe me. But I truth me I tell you.
Alright, go relax yourself. Come I have to get through to Becky and you know, if you know what I'm going.
Alright.
So I can't walk like you're crying.
No, it's not nothing. Beck.
Martha,
Yeah.
wait, why you call me so much time?
I find myself in some problem.
What kind of, hey, let me tell you something. I'm not supposed to answer the call, you know, because right now is a mission me depend. I'm not supposed to take no call. What kind of problem in America?
Me can't talk to you on the phone, me have to see you in person. When you come home, when?
America, me now come home until tomorrow. Because when me there, me can't move off my spot. Marika?
I want to talk to you.
Marika, what is it? Yeah, hold up, Marika.
Me can't talk on the phone. Me can't talk on the phone right now. Me have to see you in person to tell her this.
God.
Beck.
Yeah.
You trust me? Eh?
Marika. Yes, Marika.
You love me?
Yes, Marika, why all of these questions?
Me have to ask someone who say you trust me. You trust me for true?
Yes, Marika, me trust you, I love you.
I want to know say me have your back, no matter what.
Marika.
Eh?
Anything we are going with you? Stay inside and don't go buy no ice cream, because I love ice cream. Don't go buy no ice cream. What do you think?
Me not go buy no ice cream.
Alright, I'll stay in and keep safe until me return. What brother day?
In the night room.
So you know what one?
Kinda.
Alright, as what me say, me on a mission. And the delay right now, so we can't come home to you right now until tomorrow. Understand? Just keep safe. And just know say I love you and I got your back. You understand?
Yeah. Alright, later.
Yeah.
Hello, who that man? Hello? Lord have mercy. I want you.
A plan.
What do you mean me plan? What are you talking about?
So you and Beck and Marika plan?
Plan to do what?
She analyze me. Marika come down and me think say my niece come. My niece when me take care of her so long. In my real life me take care of her. And me after me take care of her so much. Uno really sent just because me come up here to know about my niece.
Miss.
And you can't come down there come attack me. You send me niece to come attack me. Little more girl and alive me, you know. If you see how she tab off of me, so you know, I cheat in your side I go in and block you with me hand, you know.
No. So she no, but she there now, you know.
Who there?
Fear soca.
No.
But you say you're not her niece. I don't understand what I want. No man, it's a mix up.
Look here. Me say God save me hand. Yes, me could not move it. Me can move it. But you need a bleed too much.
Come here. Are this a girl there? You know her? So open your face, man. I want to see you.
Act and run come back up yourself. When me no want you for there. So I true you want to get rid of me and steer people yard.
Are you stubborn?
And that's why you do this to me. Marika, me and your auntie, me can't believe. And me this, you know, we always take care of you from your little, you know. Marika, really me you do this? Seriously, just to steer people yard because me you know have nothing, me no do you nothing. So Marika, all we did I go through in a real life. And me did it feel. And this it turn out to. This is the thanks. Okay. You see, since you want to stay at people yard and you feel comfortable staying at people yard like you don't have nobody and you don't have nowhere to stay up here. I'm going to give you a warning before me leave. Guess what? I don't abandon you. You're still my niece. But guess what? You see karma? Karma is our what? Big karma is our, you know. It will turn around back. But anytime anything happen to you, do not call my phone. Just leave me alone. No have nothing to do with me. Because if you did unalive me today, when you put yourself in a trouble, who you call? Just call the same person there as long as I know me. You understand me? Me think I did good me I do to you. If you come for you and make you feel comfortable at your home.
So why do you feel like if you come for me? Look how long me there place. I never come for me one time. And when me come out here, come look for me. You know must expect me to tell people say me not have family.
Marika, you is a wicked little girl. You're very wicked. And guess what? You know say even though you make that stab there for me, and God saved me life and make it catch for me hand. You don't even know what me will do with you in here. You hear what me I tell you? Marika, just because me your auntie make me no want do you nothing. You hear coming no want police lock me up. You hear me I tell you? Me no want police lock me up. And me love you seeing me as my niece. But God no girl. You see if you see me on the right, take it. Don't touch me.
Let go of my clothes.
Don't touch me.
Then let me go you want to put my clothes like so you buy
and me grow you. And me take care of you.
So
if me want hold on pan this me buy this and me no care if I beg clothes you have on or in dirty brother. You hear me I tell you?
Let go of my clothes.
You know say me could have report you at police station. Why? You don't understand what you do, you know. Me could have report you, you know. Marika, all when you are my niece, me could have report you because you non think say me and your auntie, you shouldn't do that to me.
Let go my clothes. Let go after me.
Look like you do things in a real life and you don't take it serious. Me feel like for your clothes.
Yeah, let me go.
To subscribe is free.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end, yes. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. I'ma say, alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end, yes. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Alright, see there? So this is episode 2, you know what I mean? Watch out if we now drop episode 3 very soon. Watch what I go on.
You subscribe yet?